Welcome back to the weld shop floor, where we continue our first round of WorkBrow's welding competition. We've got a handful of matches for you today, mainly coming from our third shifters, with a couple of the first shifters thrown in there as well. Here's another quick look at the bracket. We'll start with a third shift versus first shift showdown, as Caden and Zach battle for the rights to face Chris Higgins in the first round. Logan Rader takes on Lawrence Schuster. Cole Blair will face Ambrose Akuli, and Jordan Marsh matches up against forklift driver Joe Lorenzen. But first, we've got some rules to go over. Contestants will be welding the same products. They are allowed to review the weld prints prior to starting the match. Welder settings must be within the welding parameters in our standard. Quality will inspect the product when completed and is not considered completed until quality passes it. The first contestant who gets quality to pass is the winner. Zach Skeeter Kurtz weighs in at a whopping 135 pounds soaking wet and only has 90 days of welding experience at WorkBrow. He'll face off against 21-year-old Caden Rhodes. They've both got 5 years of total welding experience, so this should be a close showdown. Let's bring it down to Travis to get things started. Because Zach and Caden are on different shifts, they won't be going head-to-head here. We're going to have to time them both separately and then compare the times afterwards to decide the winner. And Zach's making quick work of this thumb. Raleigh Lutz, our quality inspector, is checking his work already. Looks like he's going to have a little bit of rework to get done. And Travis and Raleigh approved Zach's work, but it won't be enough to take down Caden Rhodes in a close 4-minute difference matchup. The Wild Man, the Mick Ultra drinking Ambrose Akuli, faced off against the Coltrane Blair in the showdown of David versus Goliath. And spoiler alert, Goliath wins by a decision. After facing some technical issues, Ambrose decided to step down for Cole. Then, WorkBrow's resident ginger and Tiffin, Ohio native Lawrence Schuster took on Logan Llama Raider in a battle of pure passion. The Llama wanted it more. He'll be advancing to the next round. After beating Zach in the play-in, Caden moves on to face welding veteran Chris Higgins in a showdown of seniority versus youth. The young Caden keeps the streak alive and goes on to play Logan Rader next. And from the first shift, we have forklift driver Joe Lorenzen with 35 years of welding experience, challenging Jordan Marsh, who's barely been alive longer than Joe's been welding. Let's head down to Travis for this one. And they're choosing to start in different positions for this heavy-duty bucket. Jordan's looking really good here. I think Joe's trying to keep up with him. And Jordan's calling over Raleigh. See who's got a little rework for him to do. So Joe still has a chance to come back. But it won't be enough time as Jordan defeats Joe 1 hour and 16 minutes to 1 hour and 27 minutes. And here's one more quick look at the bracket. Next time we'll be going to our South region to see Juan Galvin and Dan Miller face off, as well as John Haley and Tim Rhodes. Those are some matchups that I would not want to miss. And from all of us at WorkBrow, thank you for spending your time with us. We'll see you guys next time. You won't want to miss it.